Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, brace yourself. It's the IDFC First Bank Ranji Trophy 24-25 Group D game between Delhi and Railways, and we are coming to you live from this iconic Arun Jaitley Stadium, nestled in the vibrant capital city, New Delhi. Well, we are moments away from live action here in day 2 of this big game between Delhi and Railways.
शुरू में अपील जरूर हुई है, पर यहाँ पे ऐसा लग रहा था कि लेग स्टंप को मिस कर रही थी. बॉल कैरी नहीं हुआ और उस गैप में भी गया. 4 रन मिलते हुए यहाँ पे यशदुल को.
Beautifully struck there. Stand there and admire that shot, young man.
Change of angle for the left-hander, and he's given. And out comes the man they've been waiting for. The huge roar from the crowd greets Virat Kohli on his return to the Delhi lineup after 12 years at the Arun Jaitley Stadium in New Delhi.
ये स्ट्रोक में विश्वास दिखा है. इस स्ट्रोक में वो बात दिखी है जिसके लिए कोहली जाने जाते हैं. बॉल की पिच पे गए और करारा स्ट्रोक खेलते हुए तीर की माफिक एकदम सीधा.
Oh, he's gone! Big moment this. Virat Kohli's off stump, knocked back. Sweet revenge this for Sangwan, and Delhi lose their 3rd wicket. The crowd at the Arun Jaitley Stadium has absolutely gone silent.
बाउंड्री मिलती हुई राहत की सांस मिली होगी इस समय. बदौनी अभी क्रीज पे आए हैं. वो भी चाहते हैं कि रन्स निकलें और बाउंड्री मिल जाए कुछ इस तरीके से.
Nicely struck. Will get a boundary as well. Back-to-back boundaries for Ayush Badoni.
And another wicket here for Sangwan. He's on fire. He picked up the wicket of Virat Kohli in the previous over. Now he cleans up Sanat.
बट ये शॉट देखिए यहाँ पर, अपने पाले में गेंद को पाया और माथुर ने चौके से अपना खाता खोला यहाँ पर.
He doesn't mind playing aggressive shots, Badoni. This time around, he goes up and over. Tucked away nicely, and once again, he's been very good in running between the wickets. He's put the pressure on the fielder. And that's a very ordinary effort that has become a boundary because of a sloppy effort.
यहाँ पर कदमों का इस्तेमाल और बेहतरीन शॉट साइड स्क्रीन पर छक्का जड़ते हुए.
Good use of the feet from Ayush Badoni. The moment it was tossed up a bit, he was down the track. Once again, the edge fetching a boundary to the batter.
Down the track, over the top. Will it go all the way? Just a bounce or two before the ropes. Beautifully struck, inside out, over extra cover. Perhaps one of the most difficult shots in the cricketing manual. That's in the air. There is a fielder. Great effort. Fabulous effort this from the fielder at fine leg. Unfortunately couldn't hold on to that. The intention was right by the bowler. Dug that one in short. Pulled away nicely. That'll be 4. The 150 of the Delhi innings coming up with that boundary. Just over the outstretched hands of mid-on. There it is. A well-made 50 this for the skipper Ayush Badoni, of 34 deliveries, a strike rate 147. There's the skipper, there's the coach standing up there and applauding the achievements of the skipper. There it is, a nice easy single to go into lunch. Just wait for the umpire to signal time for lunch. There it is, time for lunch. Delhi after 42 overs, 168 for 4, trail by 73 runs. Ayush Badoni 52 of 36, Mathur 28 of 47. A 50-50 session. There it is, 32 overs, 127 runs and 3 wickets, including the big wicket of Virat Kohli.